Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Trump coin on Orca in 2025. So, are you looking to buy like the Trump coin? Of course, Trump coin is the most popular coin at the moment. It's the trend. So in today's video, we'll show you a guide on how to buy your Trump coin on Orca, which is one of the leading platforms for decentralized token trading. So whether you are new to crypto or just need help with Orca, this video is for you. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I have here Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Just type here, sorry, not Brave. You'll have to type Orca, hit the enter button. And of course, like not Orca as Orca. So I'll just do this Orca like crypto. Just type like that, Orca crypto, and I'll find the Orca trade platform. So just go and click on that. Once you do so, here you are. You are already at the Orca platform. First of all, if you want to know what's Orca and what's Trump, Orca is a decentralized exchange built on Solana blockchain. It's known for its speed, low transaction fee, and user-friendly interface. With Orca, you can swap tokens quickly without needing a centralized intermediary. So, about Trump as well. Trump is a highly popular token now in 2025, gaining attention for its unique branding and utility. Love it or hate it, it's making waves in the crypto space. And now you can grab some using Orca. So, as an example here, let's just say we want to swipe some of my Solana into Orca or into, as an example, Trump. So we'll just have to type Trump in here. And as you can see, you'll find Trump right here. So just make sure that this Trump coin is the real coin. How can you know that? You can check this address as an example with the address of it on Coinbase or other platforms as well. And if it's the same, it should be good to go. Normally it's the same because as you can see, this is the normal price of it at the moment. So if we go here, do like Trump coin price, we would find like, so we'll find Binance, CoinMarketCap, crypto.com. So we'll find basically kind of the same amounts. So at the moment it's at 67 here, 65 here, and I don't know what is this. So maybe this is a scam or something like that, or yeah, it's not the one. But anyway, as you can see, so it's the same price. So yeah, it's the one. So the first thing that you need to do is connect your wallet by clicking at the top right corner here, connect wallet. And here you can connect a wallet like a Brave wallet, Phantom, Backpack, Softflare, Brave Wallet, Ledger, SafePal. So whatever of those wallets that you have, just select that wallet, example, maybe Brave Wallet, and then click on connect a wallet. If you don't have a wallet, of course, click on the need the new wallet. If you have, just click on I already have a wallet and connect it into it. Once it's connected, simply here, you'll have to enter the amount of Trump token that you want to buy, as example, 100, and they will show you the equivalent of it of Solana that you will need to have. Of course, if you have other assets in your wallet other than Solana, maybe as example, you have USDT, you can simply choose that. And here you can enter the amount again of the Trump that you wanna buy. So as example here, as example 10 or something like that, you'll find how much, as example, you'll need to pay. Of course, this price will change over time. So as you can see, you have here a limited time. And once it's done, the price normally will refresh depending on the time or the price of Trump. So as example, when we started the video, it was 67. Now it's 62. So it changes very quickly within the market. So keep that in mind. And yeah, once you're done, click on connect to wallets. And once you connected your wallet, you will find instead of connect to wallets, you will find here buy or swap, and you should be good to go without any problems. Now you can go and check your wallets, whatever wallets you connected here, and you should find your Trump coin there. If you didn't find it, maybe you'll just have to import it. As an example, to import the coin into your wallet, and you'll find it there very, very soon. It should not be a problem. Like, don't worry or something like that. The only thing I would like you to care about simply is choosing the wrong token once you choosing Trump. So once you type Trump, just check the price of its example. So as you can see, there's this Strom, this one, I don't know, like some like tokens that are not real. So for example, you would find even like this as you can see, there's like here an icon that show you this might be a scam, and this is actually a scam. So this is the only official one. You can, as we said, just know by its price. You can check the price from other platforms as well to be very sure of that. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any other ideas about like or how to buy on other platforms, you can like keep it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do this as soon as possible. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future tutorials. And if you have tried on like working with Orca yet or never, just let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. So happy trading and goodbye.